Welcome to It's Natural. It's Patty here. I'm glad you're stopping by to hear about the amazing, powerful benefits of castor oil and what you need to know. A natural remedy that has been trusted for centuries. So let's dive in, shall we? Castor oil comes from the castor bean plant. It's a thick yellow oil packed with renglic acid, a rare fatty acid responsible for many of its unique healing properties. Castor oil has a long, rich history. It has been used by ancient Egyptians, recommended in traditional Chinese medicine, and included in a variety of practices for its powerful healing and moisturizing effects. Castor oil is a skincare powerhouse. It deeply hydrates, reduces redness, helps with acne and scars, and acts as a gentle, natural cleanser for the skin. When it comes to hair care, castor oil strengthens roots, boosts shine, thickens strands, and helps soothe a dry, flaky scalp. Want a longer lashes and fuller brows naturally? I've used this for this and it has totally worked for me. Castor oil applied consistently with a clean brush, a spoolie brush, can help nourish and thicken them over time. Castor oil also acts as a powerful natural laxative. It often used to relieve occasional constipation, but the only in small guided amounts. Castor oil can stimulate uterus contractions and has been used to help induce labor. However, it should never be used during pregnancy without a doctor permission and supervision. Castor oil packs on cloth soaked in oil and applied to the skin to promote liver detoxification can ease muscle tension and soothe menstrual cycles. To use castor oil safely, always do a patch test first. Choose cold press, Hexion-free varieties and store the bottle in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. There are several types of castor oils. Cold pressed is the most versatile. Jamaican black castor oil is loved by hair care, and hydrogenated castor oil is used in many beauty products. Now, castor oil is affordable and incredibly versatile, but it does have a thick, sticky feel and a scent that not everyone loves. You can also go to the bottom in the description to see where you can buy it, or you can also create DIY beauty treatments using castor oil. Try mixing it with vitamin E for lash serum or blend it with coconut oil for a deep hair mask. Now, castor oil is powerful, but natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Start slowly, observe how your body responds, and write it in a journal. And be consistent to see the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your favorite way that you use castor oil. And remember, this video is just for informational purposes only. I will see you in the next time.